Driving the Aventador, oh wait. We're not driving the Aventador home to Utah because I traded it in for an Audi A8. If you did not see the last video, the Aventador is off at Lamborghini Las Vegas getting annual servicing done. New tires, check engine light, and also that squeaky door. I don't know when we're gonna get the car back, so we're sort of just chilling in Vegas. I don't know what we're doing, I don't know where we're going. We just had McDonald's, it was very good. So, we're just chilling, Beautiful day here in Las Vegas. The new Raiders Stadium is being built right there. Welcome here to Royalty Exotic Cars. Are you kidding me? That color looks so good. I miss my car so much. Come back, come back. We may have nothing to do in Vegas today, but it is a perfect day. The A8 is nice, but I want something a bit more exotic. Welcome here to Royalty Exotic Cars. Guys, we got the wall of shame right here. Look at that 650 that caught on fire. Got the 12C, the Gallardo. The only goal today is to not be on this. Check it out, guys. We're on this side. We wouldn't be on this side. You guys remember this Veyron. We took it to CarMax. They offered us $200,000. We took this up to Mount Charleston. I broke it. The Mansory Bugatti Veyron. In the comments below, what car should we rent from Royalty Exotic Cars? Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. We're gonna rent that one. It's right there, right there. We're renting the 488 today. This Aventador is so loud you can't even hear me. I need that exhaust, whatever that exhaust is, I need that exhaust button. And what a car. I love that color. My entire childhood, my dad shuttled me back and forth to Ferrari dealerships. Well, for the first time ever, he's riding in a Ferrari. How does it feel?
I've looked forward to this for a long time.
65 degrees, top down, Ferrari V8. I think my dad likes the Ferrari more than the Aventador. I'm not sure how to feel about that, but it is a good car. But let's be honest, the Ferrari is so much more classy than the Aventador. The Aventador is obnoxious, childish, outlandish, and annoying, whereas the Ferrari is classy and sophisticated, which I am none of. That's why the Aventador fits me so much better, but I still love the Ferrari. I still love it. Sounds good. And the top down is so nice. It's 65 degrees right now. It's a perfect day. It kind of makes me want a convertible, but at the same time, I live in Utah and it's 32 degrees there right now, so. All right, so things you need to know. Sport mode, I want to put that into ESC. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
We're just going to do a test here.
Or just a test. We're just going to do a test. And what he means by test, I think he means launch control. Whoops. I'm glad that wasn't you. Not that you deserved it at any point. We have the 3rd gen Gallardo, another one of Houston's exotics. Oh, the Verde Ithaca looks so good on that car. Whoa. 488 Spider, really the ultimate Ferrari with that retractable hardtop. We got the Ferrari, but sometimes in life, you can't keep your eyes off the Lambo. Sorry, I'm a Lambo guy, what can I say, I'm a Lambo guy. Verde Ithaca, check out these views. We got views on views, but we got lunch in here. Here we go, what are we gonna get today? Wait for it, pepperoni pizza. I know I gotta change my eating habits, but my goodness, I feel so fat and I feel so refreshed. We're headed back to Vegas. In tomorrow's video, my dad is gonna drive the Aventador, so if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, be sure to smash that like button. He's falling in love with the Ferrari just a bit too much. I gotta bring him to the dark side. Anything you'd like to tell the viewers?
We need to put the top down.
You're right, we do. This is like 20 minutes from Vegas. Man, you can rent a Ferrari and be in the mountains in no time. We just got very good news. The Aventador is done, which means we need to get back to Royalty, drop off the 488, fill it up with gas first, then we need to fill up the Audi A8 with gas, return that, and then the Aventador is on empty as well. We need to fill it up with gas as well. So that's what we're up to. It sounds good, but it's not an Aventador. That's all I'm gonna say. Unsurprisingly, the twin turbo V8, she doesn't get very good fuel economy. Sometimes good things in life have to come to an end. We're back. Our time in the 488 is over. it's time to go get the Aventador, but first, the Baby Mac. Not the Baby Mac, a Baby Mac is here. Remember guys, if you want to win my 570S, there's a link in the description below. We got to return the 488 and then we're going to get the Aventador. I don't want to give you a sneak peek of the future, but later in today's video, we may see that car. More to come. If you were thinking of leaving, don't leave. Back to being a Russian mob boss, just for a few more miles. Oh look, we're here at the gas station. We are back at Lambo Las Vegas. Wait for it, wait for it. Ayo! Oh my goodness, it's like day one. Looks so good. What? No way. See you later, Audi A8. We are back. We are back in the Aventador. We have a special surprise coming like right now. We are going to a highly undisclosed location somewhere in Nevada.
It's got the doors.
I know.
The Ferrari doesn't have.
I know, we missed the doors. We missed the doors.
I love these doors.
All right, it's a good day, boys. We are headed back to Utah, like right now. Well, no, highly undisclosed location. This right here is all the servicing they did. We're gonna talk about this later. This packet right here is worth, well, it was a lot of money. Let's just say, we'll talk about it later. We have a sneaky Urus right there. I don't know where he's going, but that thing looks sick. Oh, that's George. What's up, George? We're following George in the Urus right now. I'm gonna have to put the camera down soon because where we're going, we're definitely not going left. It feels so good to have this car back. The door is perfect. Like you can totally see the Lamborghini DNA. Those two cars are cool, but check this out. We are here at the Supercar Vault of Lamborghini Las Vegas. We got the Saleen S7 next to the Gallardo, but over there also, that is a Utah Aventador right there. I'm just taking a moment to look at one of the coolest cars in the entire state of Nevada. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the Centenario. This one is a one-off paint called Arancio Exantos. It's very similar to Arancio Argos, but it's so much better. It's so much better. This thing is ridiculous. One of 20 in the world. Wow. The rumor is, guys, this could be right, this could be wrong, but this car may be coming for sale at Lamborghini Las Vegas, and maybe, anyways, check out this Urus all murdered out. The interior on this thing is next level. Whoa. It's so cool to start seeing customer Uruses out and about. What do you guys think of the white steering wheel? That thing is amazing. We are getting the coolest hookup of all time. This is gonna be a cold startup on the Lamborghini Urus, or is it Urus? I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna go get my Aventador and I'm gonna park it right there next to the Centenario. Guys, check that out. How sick is that? We have Arancio Argos next to Arancio Exantos. Obviously, you guys know the Centenario. It's one of my favorite cars in the entire world. Realistically, I mean, I don't want to say this because it's always possible, but the Aventador is pretty much the closest I'll ever get to owning a Centenario, and to see the two cars next to each other, such similar colors, so cool. Whoa. So there's only 20 Centenario coupes in the entire world, and there's like 7,000 Aventadors in the entire world, but that doesn't matter. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is the coolest startup ever. We're here in Henderson, Nevada. We are headed to Pioche, Nevada. We're going places no Aventador's ever gone before. Also, Lambo Las Vegas, they filled up the car with fuel. How sick is that? Couple key details. The door no longer squeaks. Also, we're rocking new rubber. We have the Michelin Super Sports, so that is good. The servicing went amazing. I'm gonna give you guys all the details this evening when we get to the hotel, which is like 200 miles that way. I want to give a quick shout out to George and Ben over at Lamborghini Las Vegas. To date, of any supercar I've ever had, that is the best customer service I've ever had. They filled up the car with fuel, they fixed the door for free, they gave me a brand new Audi A8. I scheduled the appointment on Monday. They got me in time to finish here on Friday to get me home for the weekend. I mean, they just could not have been nicer. They let me park the Aventador next to the Centenario. Like, the customer service is just off the charts. If you need to buy a Lambo, go talk to George. If you need a Lambo service, talk to Ben. They're not paying me. This is no type of discount. Like, just genuinely, it was an amazing service. It was an amazing experience. Preparing for winter over there. I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt. So it's like 75 in Vegas right now. In Salt Lake City, Utah, it's 36 degrees. Fahrenheit, not Celsius, Fahrenheit. Anyways. We gotta let the traffic get some distance. No cops. Hit it. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Pioche, Nevada, going somewhere no Aventador has ever gone, because there's no reason to go there, but we're going there because we can. Looking for a motel, they got vacancy, so let's go see how much it is. All right, boys, we have our place here for the night. I don't know where we are, but we're in Alamo. We're in Alamo, Nevada, and we're in room number 6. Dun dun dun! Ayo! Which bed? We got 3 beds! Alright guys, I promised you facts and figures. One of my goals with owning the Aventador is to kind of share the experience with you guys, because I don't think anybody really knows what it's like to actually live with a Lamborghini Aventador. And here on day number, day number 3, we're already spending the big bucks. So, you get a nice little packet for your service records, but what's inside? I probably want to take better care of that. So, now this was the 18,000 mile annual servicing. The car only has like 15,000 miles, but because I'm going to be in Utah for a while, I don't want to be like engine oil and filter change, replace spark plugs, replaced air filter, replaced pollen filter, drained and filled front differential, drained and filled transmission oil and replaced filter, drained and filled differential oil and clean filter, perform brake fluid flush, perform coolant flush, scan vehicle, and perform beta report. Clutch wear is at 1.3 millimeters, performed overall vehicle inspection, topped off fluids, lube hinge mechanisms, test drove vehicle. So that's kind of what was done. This is probably gonna trigger you guys. There's gonna be a lot of comments below telling me how I'm an idiot for overpaying for spark plugs. And sometimes in life, you just have to pay $84 for a spark plug. It needs 12 of them. $1,010.16. Just the spark plugs. That's not the labor. That's just the spark plugs. You know, air filter, $219. A washer for 94 cents. Some engine oil for $124. An oil filter for $57. What? Total parts, $2,407.97. Grand total, $4,567.97. We also got a new set of Michelins. Now I provided the Michelin Super Sports myself. They charged $150 to mount them. We had some other nonsense. Grand total, including taxes and insurance, $5,035.43. I could have taken the car somewhere else. I didn't have to take it to Lamborghini Las Vegas, but it's an Aventador, and I wanted a technician who's worked on a ton of Aventadors, and all the guys there have worked on so many Aventadors because they're not dime a dozen in Las Vegas, but an Aventador is not a rare car in Las Vegas, so those guys have seen everything. They even have a Centenario, so they know what they're doing. We got new tires, the car has been serviced, so we're ready to rock and roll. I mean, $5,000, I kind of knew that was coming. I got the pre-purchase inspection done at Lamborghini Newport Beach, so I kind of built that into the price when I bought the car. I'm going to tell you guys every single thing that happens to this car, but effectively, that's the end of today's video. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.